Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this quick and short video, I'm just going to answer the question that was asked on a previous video. What is magic number for forex robots or magic advisors? Why do we need it? Because sometimes you see this robot has got a magic number. I think 99% of all robots will have a magic number. By the way, some people also ask me about the broker that I use. See the links in the description box below. So the magic number basically, when we are talking about forex robots or expert advisors, EAs, for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, is a unique identifier. I've not seen this with the other platforms, but I've seen mostly with MT4 and MetaTrader 5. When you are using your robots, they'll have this unique identifying number. It's usually digits, numbers, 0 to you use 0 to 9, just like the keys on your keyboard, and you come up with a combination of digits. It doesn't have to be 1 2 3 4 5. It can be that, but it can be some random numbers, especially if you are running several EAs on the same MetaTrader 4 account. So you want to distinguish each and every robot, just like your cars. Every car has got a different number plate, so you probably want to think that in the sense of cars. So magic numbers are like number plates. They are unique identifiers for the different robots that you are using on your platform. So why do we need these magic numbers? These magic numbers, they help the robot or the expert advisor to distinguish its own trades from those ones that were made by another robot or that were made manually. So let's say you have a robot that when it places trades, you want the robot to also do things like trailing stop, take profit, break even, and all those things. So how does the robot know which trades to do that and which trades not to do that? It's because of that magic number. It's a unique identifier. It places that number, that unique identifier, on every trade that particular robot takes. So when it comes to manipulating those particular trades or changing whatever on those particular trades, the robot knows I'm going to only move the stop loss on these particular trades and not on those other ones because they are not mine. So you understand the idea behind magic numbers. It's just a unique identifier used by robots or expert advisors in MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, so that the robot can distinguish its own trades from those that have been opened manually or by other EAs. So how do magic numbers work? First of all, identification. So when the EA opens a trade, it assigns its magic number to it. It's like an imprint, a thumbprint to that trade. So basically it's like a tag. So when it opens a trade, it adds this tag, this magic number to that specific trade, and it does that as it continues to trade. Then every trade will have what the magic number of the robot that placed it. Now when it comes to now manipulating those trades, the robot now knows I will not touch those particular trades because they were placed by another different EA, or they were placed by the trader manually, and I will not be touching them. So that's the idea behind these magic numbers. And I think a point that I will just make before I close the video is, don't use a zero. Sometimes people are tempted to just put a zero there as the magic number. The zero is usually reserved for manually placed trades by default in MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So if you use your robot and use the magic number 0 on it, usually the robot is not going to manipulate those trades, because it's going to think that they were manually placed, because 0 is the default magic number for manually placed trades on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So try and use some different combination of numbers if you're going to be using your magic numbers. So yeah, I thought let me just address that question. Somebody said, can you explain this thing of magic numbers? Hopefully I've tried to explain it as simple as I can. So yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.